Hello guys, how's it going? Today I would like to tell you about a website called ByteLixir. ByteLixir, as you can see. Here it says ByteLixir. ByteLixir is basically a app, like a program, right? That you can share your internet and get paid. So far my balance is 28 cents. But if you go to payouts, I already cashed out once with $2 using Polygon, the Polygon cryptocurrency, as you can see. And basically what you do is you make enough money and then you can cash out, but you install the program into on your laptop, which I have right now, and you cash out. It's called ByteLixir, and proxies downloads. If you go to downloads, you can download for Windows. Alright, download Windows, Google Play, Android APK file. If you did not find your platform, feel free to contact us. Yeah, ByteLixir. You can connect with them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. See Instagram. As you can see, I'm following them and earning money without any effort. Yep, that's it, guys. My main account, payouts. So you can see I'm logged in. Alright, thank you for listening. Bye now.